Okay, so this is part 3 of the media player project. This part of the code I did two different things. First I made a list box change and I worked on the remove button. Okay, so the first thing that I did was create an event handler, which is this part of the code. The second thing I had to do was to make sure we are catching the events, and we need to go to the designer view to fix that. Then you go to Windows Media Player 1 and insert the code with its method. So I can scroll over, and it's all of that. Okay, let me go back to the Form 1 CS. And the next thing I did was create an if statement that checks the current media and list box to make sure they are not empty or null, then return. And that is this code. And the next thing we need is a for loop to see where we are in the loop. And that's that. Next, we check to see if it matches the current media. And that is right there. And next we have next we need to add a method to remove the button. First, and that's the event. Then we go to, first we need to remove it from the list box, and that's what that code does. Then we need to store that, so we made it into an int. Next we need to get the media, so we call it right here. Next we remove the media / items, and then the last step we stop the media player, which is right there. And then I'll just show you how it runs, the parts I did anyway. So if we add a file, we add another file, okay, so we got two songs. What I did is made it to where you can skip in between songs. Now you see it's skipping back and forth. And also I programmed this button right here to get rid of the songs. And as you can see, it's working. And that's it. That's all part of part 3 of the video.